Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Roblox Game Development. Today we're going to make the buttons on our shop, which, if you give me just a second guys, visible. We're going to make the previous and next buttons change color according to whether or not they should actually be able to work. So, yeah. It should be a quick episode, but it'll be useful. So let's go to frame. In list page we have a script. In this script we have to change the font size. To change this font size we have to do something that Roblox shouldn't make us do. Why? Because it should be able to save our font size. But does it? No. Alright, so now that we've done that, we will go down. Okay, there we go. So now that we've done this, load products is a bit of a big issue. This is where we will do everything. At the end of it, we will do if pn is greater than 0, then script.parent. I think it's .parent. Yeah. .parent.previous.text color 3 equals script.parent.parent.parent. Button enabled, as I've done already. By the way guys, like I've shown you, the button enabled is a color 3 value of 200, 200, 200. Button disabled is 150, 150, 150. We'll go over why that matters later. And then we will do if products find first child first product ID plus 7 ... then end script, and we'll just copy this line and copy paste, and we'll change it to next, and then each of these will make an else, and in the case that it's not true, then we'll change this to disabled. Really easy and stuff, because I'm going lazy mode as I make this. No, not really. I'm just doing it the most efficient way I can think of right now. So button.disable. There we go. And now when we hide this frame again, what we're going to do though is we're going to go to lighting, and in shop products we're going to copy 1 and paste it. Whoa. Hold on. 4, 5, 6, 7 times and rename it accordingly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now when we press F6 and we test this out, we should have our next button and previous button working correctly. So there's an actual error on line 25 of that script. Hold on. Okay, the names are correct. 25. What's on line 25? List I ... text equals, for I equals 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the problem? Okay, here's how we're going to test this. Print I is equal to ... I. We'll just print that, and that should give us what the issue is here. I have no clue what the problem is. I is equal to 2. Line 26. 26. Product.value.name. So there's an error on 3, but there is 3. Oh. Oh. Fine. We'll do this again. The command should be still here. Yes. 2. There. 3. It should have just kept the value when we copied and pasted it, but it didn't for some reason. So we're just gonna do this several times, and then be done. Okay. Now when we press F6, we shouldn't run into an issue. Okay, so we're still getting an error. This one I actually understand really quickly. The problem is we are just doing dot enable or button enabled and disabled. We need to index their value here, because we're not changing it to a color 3 value holder object. We're actually changing it to a color 3 value, which is stored as, guess what, a value in the color 3 values. So there we go. Now when we press shop, you'll see previous is still kind of dull. We should probably change the disabled color to be a bit more obvious that it's supposed to be different. But next isn't, so when we click next, it's not going to do anything right now. But that's what we're going to fix tomorrow. But when we click next, it will switch pages, and then previous will get highlighted, next will get unhighlighted, and we'll have just one light, and the others won't work at all. And yes, we're getting an error down at the output because we don't technically have leader stats when we're pressing F6. But I didn't want to test those. I wanted to test this next thing and this previous thing. So there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.